Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create new Zoom account in PC. So if you also want to create new Zoom account in PC, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in zoom.us/sign up, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Zoom. The Zoom application is a video conferencing platform that allows users to connect with others for meetings, webinars and live chat. It can be used on a computer desktop or a mobile device. There are several features of the Zoom application. It has the HD video and audio quality. It has built-in collaboration features including screen sharing, file sharing and text chat. It also provides end-to-end encryption for all meetings. So if you also want to create the Zoom account, it is very simple. You can see over here from this interface, you'll be able to create the Zoom account. If you already have an account, you can sign into your account by clicking on the option sign in. In order to create your account, first of all, what you have to do is verify your age. You can see over here, you'll have to enter your birth year. Simply click on this box. Now enter your birth year. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll have to provide your email address in order to continue. Simply enter your email address. After entering the email address, you'll have to click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Or you can also sign up with SSO, Apple, Google or Facebook. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply go to New tab. Click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Zoom has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Remember this code. Go back to the Zoom tab. Now type in the verification code. After you enter the verification code, all you have to do is click on the verify option that you can see right over here. Now in order to create your account, you'll have to fill in these information that you can see right over here. First of all, enter your first name. Now enter your last name. Now after that, what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Your password must include at least 8 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase letter and 1 lowercase letter. It must not contain 4 more consecutive characters. Now simply create a password for yourself. If you are an educator, you have to check on this box that you can see right over here. If you're not the educator, you can skip it. Now simply click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the account has been created. So that is how you create Zoom account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.